Minista wa ugiteri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiangi ni anireire kurekererio kwa Ohwo hakuhi ngiri ithano aria manyitirwo mahitia manini njera-ini ciothe guku bururi-ini kwambiriria mweri ukite. Akirekereria rianirira riri Matiangi augite mubango uyu utanyitwo kunyihanyihia muthianiriro uria ukoretwo kuo ruhonge-ini rwa ucirithania hamwe na ruhonge-ini rwa njera, akiuga Ohwo aya megutumikira cioho cia nja na waria matigitie gutumikira cioho cia thi wa miaka 3 onao nimegukorwo ithabu-ini riri.
But I hope that in the next phase, when we start this work between May and June, we will get out about 5,000 or so of those petty offenders and so on, so that we can move them into the community service program. If I have to be very precise, my dear friends, is reintegration of offenders into our society. And the efforts that the Chief Justice and the Judicial Service Commission are putting in this surely must be commended. And we are ready, prepared and available to support that drive jointly with the ODPP, because that is how we are going to decongest our prisons, as it were.
Matiangi aheanire ndeto eno hindi ya kuruguria tabarira ya guthomithia maabithaa gutabania uthuthuria kuri Ohwo, kuria ningi augite thirikari ndina kigina kiiganu ya gutangikira Ohwo aria manyitirwo mahitia manini.
Some of them we are keeping, if we have to be very honest with each other. I mean, we are keeping somebody for a 600 shillings fine, a traffic offender. We are keeping some matatu violator who parked on a yellow line.
Atongoria makanitha, maabithaa uthuthuria wa Ohwo acioho cia nja, macifo, anini ya county commissioner na maabithaa borithi thirikari-ini nimegukuruhanio mubango-ini uyu niguo kumurika mitugo ya Ohwo aria mekurekererio niguo gutigirira matinacokereria mahitia maria mangicungiriria ukuna watho ringi.
We can draw from them some support in reintegrating offenders, because you know, if we do this aftercare service in a collaborative manner, we will most likely achieve more.
Ihinda-ini riu muikariri giti wa kamiti iria irumbuianagia na cioho cia nja mucirithania Cecilia Githua niugite Ohwo ngiri 3 ni marekereirio mwambiririo-ini wa mwaka uyu niguo gutumikira cioho cia nja mubango uria utanyitwo guthii na mbere niguo kunina muthianiriro njera-ini.
This will in turn help to reduce congestion of prison remand facilities, because this is where most of the inmates are held awaiting trial. And if these probation reports are received in good time, it means that many of those inmates will be able to enjoy their right to bail and deal with their cases.
Kuhana uguo mubango uyu ndugukorwo gikuruhania Ohwo aria moheirwo mahitia manene ta maunyitani wa kiahinya, thuguri ya dawa cia kurebia na mahitia mangi maingi.
Secretary, who is our chief guest.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.